Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to call your Kraken in GTA 5. Once you own this impressive submersible, you cannot simply find it in your personal garage. Instead, you must utilize a special in-game service to have it delivered to a suitable location. This method ensures you can always access your Kraken for underwater adventures, no matter where you are on the map. The only way to call your Kraken is by contacting Pegasus Lifestyle Management through your in-game phone. Open your phone, navigate to the contacts, and select Pegasus. From their menu, choose the Kraken. This service specializes in delivering large, special vehicles that cannot be stored in your personal properties, making it essential for accessing your submersible. After requesting your Kraken, Pegasus will deliver it to the closest available water spawn point. These locations are predetermined, so you cannot choose the exact drop-off. You will see an icon on your map indicating where your Kraken has been delivered. Simply make your way to that location, and your submersible will be waiting for you to begin your underwater exploration. To own the Kraken, you must first purchase it for $1,325,000 after completing the Wildlife Photography Challenge. This submersible offers a single seat for deep-sea adventures. Remember, it is a Pegasus vehicle, meaning it cannot be customized or stored in your personal garage, but its unique capabilities make it a worthwhile investment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.